That's it. Yes, it is. I know that this is it. I knew once I saw the little symbol that that's what it is. Oh, it says open at 8 a.m. So it's open right now. So we'll go in a minute. There's the sign right there. 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. It's a really, I mean, who's going to see this? Well, this is Wang Li Road because it's Wang Li family. Parking area. This is the same building, which I don't know if they're living there or what are they doing here. I don't know what's going on here. We're gonna go check it out and then we're gonna go walk back in. But right now, if I look inside, you know, you don't see a whole lot, but yeah, I mean, this is a bathroom. Looks like they developed photos in that one room. You see here, everything is look at this. It's closed up. 19th century. It was made in 1850. So what do you got? Artificial turf. So what do you got? Now, I don't know what this is saying because I can't read all the letters. Klong San, but I don't know what it says in the front. Something like Sun Sapat. Sun Sapat. I don't know. I'm not sure. It looks like you can't really go in this building, but I don't know. We're going to just hang on. We're going to check it out here because maybe we can go. Oh, we can't get in there. Here is another pier. Okay, Wang Li Pier. So you used to be able to come in here. It was a private pier. Interesting. Tamachat Pier. Okay. Wang Tamachat. No, Tong Tamachat. Okay. And it does say Wang Li Pier. If you look at it over there, I don't know how to get over there. Maybe I can go around once I get through. But it's interesting. Just sitting here on the side of the river, you know. All right, let's go in. Look how low the water is. Oh, God. Because it's land of smiles. Listen, I saw the shirt in a movie. I thought it was funny. I made the shirt. End of story. If you guys like the shirt, then please buy it. It's great. It comes in 14 different colors and all different sizes. If you don't like it, that's okay too. You can do what you want. What do you got? All right, so let's go in here. Well, we've already been there. We've already been to that place several times. We haven't been to this place. So let's just check this place out for what it's worth, good or bad. And, you know, that's it. That's how we do it. See, you have all this. This is an office. Oh, it says right here, exhibitor. So that's the office. And then I guess this is how you get in. I guess you gotta crawl through here. I gotta crawl in. This is it. There's nobody here. Holy shit, man. What the cup? There's nobody here. Wow, they've just shut this thing down. Well, they have a few places here, it looks like, but this is a gallery. It looks like they're still open, but wow, this place used to be really, really busy. Yeah, well, I guess since it's built in 1850, we should just make everything look like it's made in 2023 and just spray it and paint it and just, you know, let them do what they want to the place. That's how I look at it. Now, there's really nothing here. Why? I don't know. However, over here, okay, there's a second floor. I don't know if there's any places in here. Look at this. This is really, wow, I'm very sad about this place because it used to be so busy. And now it's virtually empty. It's lovely. Very lovely, but the number of places here. Now maybe it'll get going in a little bit. I don't know, but from what I see right now, it's not looking very good. This is like a vintage store. You got the Tao bin. Tao bin, I like something to drink. You guys ever seen this Tao bin? Coke. Everything's sweet here. You want something good, you can't get anything. Let's see here. Coffee. Okay, well, you can get espresso and stuff like that, but that's it. Lychee Kano. Espresso, lychee, sugar, and water. Everything has sugar in it, except the matcha tea. Healthier options. Okay. Thai milk tea. Thai tea, sugar, milk. Oh, yeah. Lemonade and sugar. Lemonade, sugar, and soda water. I gotta pass on this. Okay. So that's kind of interesting. Concept. Not open. Remembrance dress. Not open. Open 10 a.m. Well, it's almost 10 a.m. right now. So some of these places should be opening up pretty soon. Why can I not spell? I'm a good, my spelling is quite good. I don't know what you're talking about. Their spelling is not very good, spelling lemonade with an I. They spell it like it's Spanish. Okay, here's a Chinese tea room. that doesn't look like it's been used in quite some time. I don't know, maybe it is, but from what I see, it doesn't look so good here. When you look at this place on the internet, it's kicking. There's a lot of people. A lot of things going on here. This place is was like a shopping mall at one point. And now it's just dead. I mean, I know I'm here a little bit early, but still. Karma Comet, staff only. Okay. Nothing. A door in the front. A door in the front. Now, apparently the COVID did have an effect on this place. That's what I read. Eesh. Wow, man, this is really sad. Well, very sad. You know, this is the way it goes sometimes. Here, look at this. Empty. Nothing here. Wow. Now, can I get out in this little area here, maybe? Check this out. You guys are laughing, but you know, I'm the one here. And I come here to try to show you guys something cool, and the place is all locked up. I mean, look at it. And to me, it's sad. This is just a sad state of affairs. Now, maybe I can go over to this building there. Right over there. I don't know how to get there, but I could probably try to get there.